Hello everybody, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a vertical header for your website. For example, if you have ever seen Ertano.com, you will see our website's header is vertical. We have two headers on our website. The first one is a navigation bar, which is horizontal, and the other one, which is our main website header, it's vertical. And today I'm gonna teach you how to design a vertical header for your website. So let's go. So to have a vertical header for your website, first you will need a WordPress theme which is compatible with WordPress editors. WordPress editors like Elementor. And today we are going to use Elementor to build our website and design our vertical header. So let's go to my localhost website, and in themes section I'm gonna install a WordPress professional theme, which is Ahura WordPress Theme. You can go to our website. In the main page of our website you will see Ahura WordPress Theme. You can click on get the theme and you can download it and install it on your website. Ahura is a professional WordPress theme which is designed by our WordPress team, by our developers team. So I'm going to appearance themes, and then I'm clicking on upload theme, and I'm selecting my downloaded zip file from Ertano, and then I'm going to install this theme on my website. After that, I have to click on activate and activate this theme on my website. When you have installed and activated this theme on your website, you will go to a wizard installation, which is Ahura Studio, and you have to go for activation. Then you will activate your website. You have to go into the Ertano panel, and then you have to activate your website. And after activation, you can install any demo you want. In Ahura demos, we have a demo with vertical header. So if you go to ertano.com/demo/ahura/nft, you will see a demo which is a demo with vertical header. My team is going to translate this demo to English, so maybe if you install this theme tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will see this demo, this preset in English language, and you can install it on your website to have a vertical header. So you can have it without doing any changes on Elementor, without struggling with Elementor. You can have a vertical header on your website. So if your website is not designed and you want to install a demo, a preset for your website, and you run your website with a vertical header, you can install NFT demo. But now it seems you have already a website and you just want to change your current header to a vertical header. Yeah, so I'm going back to my WordPress dashboard. For example, here I have a header for my website, so I can go to design my header for my website and then make it vertical. I want to use it without any paid plugin. I don't want to use Elementor Pro. I just want to use Elementor free version to design it. So I'm going to install Elementor on my website. It's better to go to plugins, add plugin. It's better. No, it's not better. We have to go to plugins, add plugin, and search for Elementor here, and then install Elementor on our website. So I'm going to install it on my website. Select install now button. And after it's installed, I have to activate it. Continue as a guest, doesn't matter. Let's close it. And then we will go to Ahura Builder. Ahura Builder. Your theme must be able to install header with Elementor. So you cannot use any theme to design your header with Elementor. So I have to go to Ahura Builder, which is my header builder for my theme, and click on add new item. If you are using any other theme, you have to find it in your template settings. Template type, it's header. Template name is header, and I'm choosing it as default, and create template button. We are going to design our header. So first of all, I have to go to widgets section and click on add and make a flex box. I'm making my first container. I'm going to style and then make a background. I'm just choosing a background to define that this is our container. And then I'm going, for example, to add a pop-up login to it. Then I'm going to add a search to it. That's all. I think that's enough. And I'm going to select my container, and in layout, I'm gonna choose my direction from vertical to horizontal, and I can make it reverse, yeah, like this. So this is my top bar. It's not my main header. This is my top bar, and in the justify content section and align items, I'm going to make it center to be aligned from top and bottom. After that, I have to go to create my main header. So I'm gonna click on add button and select flex box and make a vertical or directional column. That's what's matter. So I'm going to style and choose another color for my header. You can change it later. I'm just choosing it to define my container. Then I'm coming back to make it white, make it transparent, make a border for it, make a shadow for it. I will tell you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see next video, which is header which is how to make a transparent header for our website. So I did it. I have two headers. In add element section, I'm going to add a logo here. Okay. Then I'm going to add a vertical menu here. I'm adding some items to my header. For example, social icons, something like that. And we have two headers, top bar and main header. In top bar section, I'm going to click on edit container, and then I have to go to advanced and make my header, my top bar position on fixed. I have to set it on fixed. So it's fixed on top of my website. And if I scroll my page, it will be fixed on my page. Then I have to select my main header and go to advanced and make it its position to fixed. I've changed it to fixed. And in the layout section, I'm going to change its width to make it, for example, make it full width and make it, for example, put it on pixel and make it, for example, 280 pixels. And in min height, which is minimum height, I have to put it on VH, which is view height, and put it on 100. 100% of my screen view height will be my main header height. After that, I have to select my logo and make its width smaller and put it on center. Yeah, that's it. I can choose my menu, I can create my menu. I will tell you how to create and manage menus on your website later. And that's it. I've made my vertical header and a horizontal nav bar for my website. So now I can go to my website's homepage and see my navigation bar and my header. If you check, you will see your navigation bar is under your WP admin menu bar, which is this black menu bar, and there is no problem because you are seeing your website as an admin. If you log out of your website, you will see your website has no problem. So I'm going back to WP admin. I'm logging into WordPress admin panel and seeing my website, which is my new website. It's not beautiful because we have to design its UI. We are just making its structure, but we have a problem here. Our website container it's went under my header, so I have to fix it. So I'm going to edit with Elementor site settings page, and after that I have to go to layout and put my content width on percentage, and I'm making it for layout, I'm making it for example it's better to go to home page and design my page with Elementor. Let's do it in another way. It's better to open my website. Yeah, it's better to go to customize, and in additional CSS I have to enter body and set padding for my body. For example, 100 pixels from each corner. It's making a padding internal margin for my website's content. So it's better to open my website, and then I will see now it's better, but not fixed yet. So it's better to say padding top 100 pixels, padding bottom 100 pixels, padding right 100 pixels, not 1100, and padding bottom has to be more than 280 because my header width is 280. So it's better to be, for example, 320. Sorry, padding left, not bottom. Publish, and then it's fixed, and I can see my content area is not under my header. So that's how we are going to make our vertical header for our website. Don't forget to do responsiveness for your pages. I will record another video and I will tell you how to responsive your website's pages with Elementor. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video to see the other videos. In other videos, I will tell you how to make this header transparent, how to make it responsive, how to make a responsive website with Elementor, and we are going to continue recording our videos, and I will tell you how to manage and grow your website in the best way. Thank you.